Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you own a 2025 or 2026 GMC Terrain and you're having trouble with your power liftgate and you want to make adjustments to that, maybe it's not opening like it should be. When you come up here and stand behind it, nothing is happening. Now you can always open it manually no matter what, just something to note. But if you push the button and it doesn't open with the power feature here on your remote or anything else that's available as far as that goes, here is what you need to do. We're going to come to our 15-inch center screen and we're going to Settings, Vehicle. We'll go down here to Comfort and Convenience and then Hands-Free Exterior Storage Access. Notice it is currently set to off, so we're going to set that to open only. And one more little trick that I want to show you where this is concerned. When you walk here after making that change, if you stand here and nothing happens, don't worry, don't give up just yet. The first thing you need to make sure you do is lock the vehicle like this. We're going to do that, and then we're going to unlock it again. We're going to hit that button, and then we'll walk up here, and you'll notice that it will start beeping, as you can hear, and the tailgate or liftgate will open up. Now there is one more little trick that I want to show you. What if you want to change the height? There's a couple of different things you can do. And in this particular situation, here's what we need to select right there. And we're then going to come down here and select See More Controls. And we go here to Doors and Windows. And you're going to see right over here, Power Rear Gate Height. You can set it to Max Open, like that. Or you can turn it off or turn it on to manual right here if you want to. But what about changing the height itself? We go to custom right there, and that is what we're going to need. So what's going to happen is then you're going to come back here and you're going to change the height to whatever you want it to be. We're going to lower it in this case to about right there. We're going to hold this button down. You're going to hear one beep after a few seconds. There's the beep. And then we close the lift gate, and when we open it back up, it's going to be reset to that height where I just set it, as you're going to see. And to reset the height, you can change it to any height you want to. That will take care of it. That's how easy it is to manage this. And one final thing for those who may want to know, I want to make sure I cover this. There is a button located right here above the license plate bracket. I'm not sure that you can see it, but if you put your hand inside there, you can feel that. The button on the remote, or the third option, is going to be right here on the inside of the driver's side door. You can open and close your power lift gate that way. So I hope this tutorial was helpful out to you. If it was, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button, the like button. That helps me out a lot. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If there's a particular tutorial you want to see on any vehicle, tell me down in the comments section and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.